Hi, so I've just received this Synology DiskStation. It's a 1515 Plus model. It's a 5-bay NAS, and I bought the NAS just as the case or the enclosure from Amazon, and I bought 5 lots of 3 TB WD red drives from Amazon as well, but I bought them separately because it worked out cheaper for me. And this video I'm just going to show you how to stick a 3.5-inch drive into a empty slot in the enclosure. It requires no tools and it's pretty straightforward, so I'll just get on with it. Step 1, get into the no fuss packaging. So there's an outer sealed wrapper, then it's bubble wrap, and then there's an inner stapled package before you get to the final layer, the electrostatic protective packaging. I'll leave it in that for the second. I'll get an empty drive bay. It comes as it is, toolless. You just pop off the sides like so. Put those down, put that down, tear open the drive, drop the desiccant on the floor, and your drive just goes into the tray like so, or the caddy if you prefer, and these just then snap back into place. And that is it. Find an empty slot, pop it in, and it's home. And just repeat for the remaining drives. Simple. I'll make another video later on when it's powered up, and perhaps I'll see if I've got a RAID running.